Hello everyone, welcome to DCC NETA YouTube channel. Today I will be solving this problem running comparison from CodeChef contest status 80. So first let's read the problem statement. The problem says that Alice and Bob recently got into running and decided to compare how much they ran on different days. They each ran for n days. On the ith day, Alice ran AI meters and Bob ran BI meters. On each day, Alice is unhappy if Bob ran strictly more than twice her distance and happy otherwise. Similarly, Bob is unhappy if Alice ran strictly more than twice his distance and happy otherwise. We can see the examples those are given. So what we have to do, we have to calculate number of days, that is n days, for which both Alice and Bob are happy. So these are the standard input cases for which we have to check our code. So let's see the pseudocode. That is the explanation of the code. So we will make two arrays, Alice distance and Bob distance of size n, where n is the number of test cases to store distances walked by Alice and Bob on each day. That is, we will store Alice and Bob distance that they walked on each day in those two arrays of size n. We will make a counter variable happy days, which will count the days when both Alice and Bob are happy. We will make a loop I that will run from 0 to n minus 1. This will check when both Alice and Bob are happy. Then how to check when both Alice and Bob are happy? This is the condition that is mentioned in the question, that if Alice distance is less than or equal to twice of Bob distance and Bob distance is less than or equal to twice Alice distance, then we will increment the counter, that is happy days, by 1, because both Alice and Bob are happy. Then simply we will output number of happy days. So you can see there are code that is written in C++. First we will make two vectors. Vectors is like arrays, it's like dynamic array. We will take input for two vectors, first Alice distance, then Bob distance. Then we'll make a counter happy days and we'll set it value to 0. Then we will run another loop. In this loop, we will be checking if Alice distance is less than equal to twice of Bob's distance and Bob's distance is less than equal to twice of Alice distance. Because if both the conditions are satisfied, then we can say that both Alice and Bob are happy, and we can increment the number of happy days by 1. Finally, after completing the loop, we can print the number of happy days. Hope I have made the solution clear. Thanking you. Bye.